Hello kids and welcome to the Joys of Nature. Today we'll be learning about birds. Hello folks, I'm Raw Man, but you may know me as Chuck Norris. I'm here with famous birdologist Mark Clemens.
Well, thank you for the introduction, Rob.
You're welcome.
As you can see, there are many birds in the sky today. Okay, so there aren't. Okay, sue me, I don't care. But anyhow, what is important is that birds are unique. Birds are very different from other organisms, like animals and weasels, and other things of the like. But what really sets birds apart is this. Birds can fly, and people cannot. We're going to have a short demonstration by guest star Jared McCall to show us about this. Jared, take it away. Thank you for that lovely demonstration.
Well kids, on to part 2 of the Joys of Nature.
Hey, wait, what do we do with the body?
Just cover it up. Give me some leaves, come on.
Oh, you startled me. Hello folks and welcome to part 2 of the Joys of Nature with birds. I was just trying to contact that Algerian maple falcon over there. Ain't she a beaut? There are several different ways to identify birds. One is by coloration. If a bird is colored black, that automatically means it's a blackbird. Crows don't exist. And if you think you see a bird and it's black and you don't think it's a blackbird, well, you're wrong. There's only blackbirds, and sometimes a raven. But if you see that, you're dead. Another way to identify a bird is by the sound it makes when you step on it. That's a raven. That's an Algerian maple falcon. Oh, that's Jared. So kids, what have we learned today? In conclusion,
There! All the hotels are booked, but there's one 5 miles away.
All right. Right. Let's keep going. Hi, I'm Bear Grylls, and welcome back to Man vs. Wild. Now this show is all about telling you how to escape from worst case scenarios, so I'm going to shoot myself in the foot and show you how to deal with it. All right, let's go. No! God, the pain!
sorry about the interruption, folks. So, I was about to say, what have we learned?
Oh, no. Oh, not again!
Oh god, that done. Alright, close the door.
Hello, folks.
Oh god.